welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we will be taking you to the Kokani Kanteen, which is a famous local restaurant here in Goa, and it is known for authentic Goan cuisine. So currently we are parking the car here, and I'll be showing you inside as to what it looks like, and also the things that you should be ordering, and what are they actually famous for. So if you're new to this channel, please do give us a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell, because there will be lots and lots of other videos that I will be posting on a regular basis. And if you've not seen my previous videos, which was about the tourism update, about whether or not you need your vaccine, whether you need a COVID negative certificate for your travel to Goa, so please go check that out. And also I will be covering what is the current situation like in Baga, Kalangut, and taking you on a virtual tour. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the entrance. So this is the restaurant right here. So this is exactly at the Panjim, central, I would say, by the market area.
Waiting.
So we have a coupon, I guess. So we're waiting number 13 for two of us. So I'll show you what it looks like inside once we enter. So this is what the menu looks like. Maybe you can pause the video and see it.
Thank you.
So they also do have the liquor menu as well. So the food has arrived, and here we have the kingfish thali. We have some rice, and then we have some okra fry, and then we have some dry shrimps, and this is the kokum water that you're supposed to have after your meal. It's good for digestion. And then you have some sort of a gravy here. I'll taste and let you know what that is a little later. And then you have these, I forgot what it's called, mussel kind of a thing, shells. And then you have some fish curry, and then white rice. And then I've also ordered for these prawns, crispy fried prawns. It's really big size otherwise. So let me taste it, and I'll tell you how it tastes. Right, so this is quite heavy actually, for one person, but I'm sure it is going to be a wholesome meal. Now, while I actually get my plate ready, I would like to inform you a few things about this place. Is that this is probably one of Goa's oldest restaurants, and especially if you're looking for authentic Goan cuisine, then this is a must visit. And you will find a lot of celebrities and things like that who actually visit this place. So if you're lucky, then you may even spot, one of them. So let me try the fish curry. I think this is fish curry. Yeah. Can you show this a little closer? Yeah. So this is the kingfish curry gravy. So let me just... Wow. There's, I think it's made with coconut milk base. It's extremely smooth and creamy and mildly spiced. Wow. I don't know if you can actually hear the crunch, but it is amazing. Perfectly spiced, the salt, the crispiness, and it's really juicy on the inside. So let me quickly just have so this is the dried shrimps. Very different, slightly saltier, and it's kind of crunchy as well. It gives you that crunchy prawn kind of a taste. Let me taste the okra. Wow. I think everything is so mildly spiced to perfection. And I'm sorry that I'm using my hands because I think this is the best way that you can actually eat Indian food. I don't know what this is actually. Oh, it's another kind of a fish curry. I think it's a smaller fish. I don't know what fish is this. So this is more of a tomato base, so it's tangy and it's slightly sweetish. I think it's this 𝐁𝐄𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐃 because that's really spicy, a bit. And lastly, let me, taste the mussels, I think. I don't know what this is. That's nice too. So you have roughly ground coconut, and it is, mildly spiced. So that's nice. I think it has a little bit of a mud, kind of a thing. So let me taste the prawns because this is like my ultimate favorite. So let me see how much does this score? Wow. This is heavenly. I think this is if you guys ever come here, this is a must try. And I think all of this goes really well with a chilled beer, on a hot summer afternoon. So I'll put up all the prices and the description, and I'll also show you the menu as to what are the prices and how much did I pay for 2 kingfish thalis and Rava fried prawns, and along with the beer. So I'll put up all of that in the description, and I'll also put up the map, the location map. So you guys can actually come here, and it will be a lot easier. So let me start eating, and because I'm really hungry. So I'll see you on the other side. So we're just done with our lunch, and the total bill was about 1,185 rupees. I will give you the total description and the breakup of each, price for each item. And I think we're super duper full, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click that notification bell. I will be bringing you a lot more such videos, and do support our channel if you're new. See you. Bye bye.